Blinded by the light. Sorry about that. Oh. There, let's just see what we can do. Get my cords over here as far as they can go. That. And I might as well grab my other extension cords, because I have a feeling that through here there's a lot more that I might need to go. So I'm bringing my other extension cords through here. And we'll see what we got. See, there's another one of those. Here's another one of these that I can use for my, to hold up my insulation. And look at this. We crawl back in here now. Good Lord. And I'll shine the light up there after a bit, but remember, if you were with me, if you've been following along, been watching my videos, you'll have seen that I cut that open because the inspector, when we bought the house, of course he didn't look under here because you couldn't access it. And that's a no-no by the main builder years ago. The inspector, anytime you have another area to go in, you've got to, even if you got OSB plywood on there, you know, if you're using that as a shear wall, a little cripple wall underneath the floor, you still got to gain access to it. Just like over here, see how they cut that? We can gain access to that. We can crawl over there. I've never even been over there. And I'll show you this area, but this is underneath a deck, and then I had to cut another hole through another wall and go underneath the stairs. And I fixed the stairs, so hopefully you've seen all that. Dry rot, deck repairs. Oh man, that took me forever. And it turned out really super good. Since we're here, I'm going to check in that area. In fact, I wonder if we should go in there now. Well, we will in a minute. Looking at this, this is all flowing nice. We got insulation up in here. This all looks nice and clean, doesn't it? Look how nice that duct is, that it's supported nice through there. Other than the fact that there's wood on the ground. There's a piece, there's a piece, there's a piece, there's all kinds of pieces. Schmeeshes. Here's some more little bits and pieces of wood. And I think this area I've already cleaned out, but let's go in this place. Now we'll check that out since I'm down here. If you haven't looked at that, this is just one part of us checking out underneath the floor. And so I might as well show you that as well. Oh, I'm glad that's over with. Hey, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.